Khun Nyotrap National Awakening Movement (KNAM) has called on the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to address the issue of unauthorized shops operating along the roadside in Them Yo Maulong, Shillong. In a letter to the executive member in charge of trade, KNAM Working President Thomas Pasa alleged that several shops have been opened and are being run by non-Khasi individuals without the required trading licenses, violating the Trading by Non-Trading Regulation Act 1954.
I go representation ka dorkas sa UEM in charge trade. Hakani ka dorkas yung ngalak kro sa kadar ba nado bal apli gati ko surak anti Them Yo Maulong. Ilawan survey ngilap baki babon baki dukan gila function ang to. Ki dukan ki bamde jogi khasi. But kim don ni ka trade license do. Dan kalian ka jongi ngila insist ngila kerpat ngila banjur ya UEM in charge trade ban lek hang mardor di dukan hang tu mar hang ketua silinter ketua surok Them Yo Maulong kibun bagi trade business kiba dayan nad report menswah adu mentah tinggal kani kalau persya ya ka trading by non tribal kena ispa satu sahab ya kat kan jing ai bon yo ka ai ka district council ka de melik hang ya kini dukan om di bansya ya ki bakin play klaim kono ka license ka don kam banyo ni na pro KCDC tingap kwilanti da kalian ka trade department ru kai baka sinjam bakan sim halor kini ka jing ai jung tho ka jong ni kini ki hak baik bandan ya ka trade license la piong kita ki don pak municipal kini surat mapsa council ru kadon ya ka ki dan de ya ka kini municipal tingini ru pi tadau na kalian ka jongi ngikwa baka dis council kan penklaim ba ya kini ka trading by non tribal ka kena ispa sampur saw kabar solusi kan ongki lebih baik mar persya di council dukan di dekat sudah hak kenrok pelau juga dis council ban ngiong bangin ya dai khi pateng ka jongi kabar so kelar kata pi hak kenrok mar siliang kini dukan saudong baro kibabon kini dukan juga dekat sudah kasih wala patri kami bobon lala